Hippopotamus and crocodile lived in every quiet reach of the river. Elephant tracks crossed the country between the Nile and the eastern hills. The wetlands above and below the rapids carried buffalo, waterbuck, and a richness of bird life so great that the early protectorate game officers gave up trying to count it. This was a river country in the fullest sense, a country where the rhythm of water set the rhythm of life.
This documentary has been filmed and documented by Blasio Biekwaso, wildlife photographer, conservationist, and a man whose life's work has been devoted to revealing the wonder of God's creation across Uganda's natural world. Thanks for watching. God bless you.